Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-36A, the boiler whistle valve body for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's go advanced. Open up part MMGS. Okay, so let's go top plane, sketch. We're going to do a square or rectangle. That's going to be 16 by 16, I believe. Yep. 16. That's going to be a height of 25. Extrude, sorry. Help to click extrude first. 25. Don't leave that as blind. And then we want to go fillet. Raise the 3. That corner. The one behind, and that one. Done. Excellent. Now we want on top. We want top here circle. So normal 2, sketch, click outside this and highlight that circle. That's gonna be a raise of 10. Yeah, 10. 10, beautiful, with a height of 6.5, and that should be done. Yep, and one of the measurements take a while. Okay, so that's there done. Now to one side, so it's going to be, this one's going to be normal. Yep. Oh, hold on, before I do, X out that. Normal 2, sorry, then sketch. And it's going to be circle of 16. 16. Yeah, sketch. Now, this point here and this point here will be, sorry, those 2 points will be vertical. Beautiful. See? 16, and this here and this edge in this circle will be tangent. There you go, and that should be locked in. It is beautiful. That's what I want. Now we want to go to feature extrude. It's going to be 10 that way, but the other way is going to be up to the next, and done. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that touch there nicely. Now we want another one here at this point, this circle, normal 2, sketch, another circle, move mouse over that, get the center point there. That's going to be 12. Yes. It's going to be 12. That's going to come out 6.5, so 6.5. Oh, what did I do? 6.5, I think I might have got to click that. Okay, there we go. It's looking good. Okay, so let's go down the bottom of this one. Normal 2, sketch, circle. We want that in the middle. That's beautiful. Put stuff in the middle like that, makes it easier. Well, they can line up other ways. That's going to be dimension of 12. Yep, 12. That's going to be a depth of 12. Feature, extrude cut, 12. And done. Now we've got another hole. Okay, I'm going to do this one a little bit different. I'm going to go sketch on this one. Sketch. Do that circle there, or that center there. That's going to be 5. Smart dimension. 5. And that's going to be feature extrude. It's going to be 19 plus 3. So 21. Sorry, 22. And done. There we go. Beautiful. There's this. Oh, that's it. Cool. And then we got another one, which we can do from the top. Sketch. Don't really need to normalize it. That's going to be 3 mil. Yes, it is. 3 mil. That's going to be feature extrude up to next, which should be that one there. It is beautiful. Up to that face there. You can do it through all work too. So, and there's that hole done. Beautiful. Now we've got one more hole from this one. Let me just go to normal. Sketch. Didn't need normal, but I just did. Touch on there. So I got center. That's going to be 5 mil. 5 mil. And that's going to be, let me move that around. So it's going to go this face here. So feature, extrude, cut, up to next, and done. There we go. Beautiful. Ooh. Right, I missed the part. We got we got a piece coming off this side. Okay, so that's circle as well. Okay, so that's normal to that one. That's right, it's a hole that I haven't done. Sketch, circle, which is 12 mil. So 12 mil. Put that one and that point and that point as vertical. There we go. And that's going to be 19 for the bottom. From there to there, it's going to be 19. Which reaches the top. Beautiful. It's going to go at 13. So feature extrude. 13. Also, we want the other way as not blind. Up to next. And done. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so that's there. Yep, that's right. So sketch on this surface here. It's going to be circle, which is going to be 5 mil. What's it not showing? That's weird. Oh. Try that again. There we go. I don't think I left it on there long enough. Okay, you got to leave it there for a second or two before it does that. So that's 5, I said. Yes, it is. It is 5 mil. And again, that's going to go feature, extrude, cut, up to next, which is there. Beautiful. And done. Right, let me go into that view. Let me go into, no, not that one, that one. And yep, that looks good. So you got the hole going through, you got a hole up, there, a big hole there, hole, yep, it's looking good. Excellent. Now we want to do threads. So there's going to be 12 mil on that one. So we can go thread. We'll do 14. Nope, we got 12. 12 by 1.5. So do start there. Do second one to there. And trim and trim. Have I got that right way this time? Nope. Always get the wrong way, don't I? And done. There we go. Let's got the thread on that one. Beautiful. Where's the next thread? There's nothing on the top one. There's no one there. Okay, we've got a thread here. And a thread there and there. I'm going to do this one because it's 12 mil. The one below is 12 mil. So let's do them again. Thread. Ooh, that's going to be interesting. That's, If I do there, then I do there. What does that do? Oh, there you go. That works. There you go. That works perfectly. I don't think just grabbing that bit there would work, but it did. Okay. So the screen, trim and trim, and done. Oh, wasn't the trim there? Oh, dang it. Cancel that. Cancel that. Yeah, something I changed something while scrolling. Oh, it's on the edge, okay. Yeah, because that's highlighted rather than changing something there, so that's weird. Trim and trim. Why doesn't it trim? No, change direction of thread. Won't work. That one does. That's interesting. Why didn't it trim there? Interesting. Okay, I thought I must have stopped misclicking it. Let's try something. Let's see. Offset. Oh, that's going to go the other way, isn't it? Yeah. So give it that. Oh, actually, hold on. No, that works. That works. It doesn't need change there. There you go. Yeah, for some reason trimming's not working there. Whether because that wasn't fully circle. Interesting, but that works. Yeah, that's a bit there. That's fine. That's fine. If you've got a suggestion on that, always happy to hear from guys and girls. Let's do the other one now. It's 12 mil as well. Thread. Yep. So we want there to there. External. Trim and trim. And okay. What? Oh, yeah, it's got to be cut, sorry. There we go. Actually, does that go all the way through? Oh, no. That thing goes up. That goes up. Oh, that goes up 7 mil. Okay. That's fine. So it does not go all the way, that thread. So we'll adjust that. So it's 12 mil all the way up. Offset 5. And done. There we go. Beautiful. There we go. That one's done. Now we've got this one up here. That's 10 mil, right? Yeah, 12, 12, and 12. we've done the 3, yep. So now we've got the 1 here. So thread. We want 10 mil, isn't it? Yeah, 10. There it is. Couldn't find it. 10. So we start there. Then we stop there. It's going to be extrude, trim and trim, and done. That's looking good. I think that should be everything. That's it. There's 4 threads in that. 1 bottom and 3 up top, or top and 2 side. So that's that part done. So that's part 3-36A, the boiler whistle valve body done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Enjoyed the episode, click the like button, comment, subscribe. Welcome all new subscribers. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.